Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find this jet lag filter on Instagram. So this is the effect. To get this effect you can visit the creator profile. Summer Fridays is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. So check in her filter gallery and this is the filter jet lag. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.